How to fix invalid Steam SSL certificate. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix invalid Steam SSL certificate error. It is a common error which mostly occurs when your date and time are not set accordingly. So in order to fix it, we need to head over to our date and time. So we'll simply go to our start menu over here, and from here in the search bar, we need to type date and time. Now, simply go ahead and click on date and time settings that appears. If the set time automatically is toggled off, you need to simply go ahead and toggle that on. And if you toggle it off, you can even try setting date and time manually. You need to simply go ahead and click on change over here. And once you have done it, you need to click on change option. Now, you need to simply head over to your Steam app. And once you are here, you need to try reloading the app. And this might help you resolve the issue. That's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.